Boom! Momentum is back, baby. At least today and yesterday has been better than it has been for the rest of this month. Today I'm green 83 bucks. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Been a lot more, but 1.8 profit factor and didn't go on too much of a roller coaster. So overall, I'm happy. Yesterday I did not post a video, but I was red 30 bucks. Partially, if not mostly, due to the fact that after 8 market time, after 7:30 ish market time, um, I couldn't trade along with many other traders because Charles Schwab decided to take a shit and there was some major delay going on to where you couldn't sell until like, I don't know, 3 to 5 seconds after. So I was red yesterday, but kind of erasing that from the memory bank because it was kind of an off day uh with the platform. But we're back today, green 83 bucks, and yeah, if anything, could have been. I kind of watched a lot of stuff go. Could have had more trades. Could have been closer to 120, 150 day realistically. But yeah, overall happy. We'll just check it out. Tenon was the first one I was watching here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes of straight downhill. So figure we might get a decent bounce off open. Didn't add right away because I wanted to see something.
Sometimes the lags have to open either way.
Yeah. Wasn't sure if the lag would still be there, so I didn't want to take anything too risky right off open as well. Trading low shares too, just to check in, feel the temp of, feel what the platform is going to feel like today. So missed this initial rip off open, all this 30 cents of a move right here, and then I try to get in late for the 66 something, and oh, we're just going to blast through for a hold up. Not the smartest opening trade at all. I mean, that's where the resistance is at for this move. I don't know. I should have been in well before that and been looking to sell there if anything. So, DM, if I'm not mistaken, I think I was like break even on it. Let's check out. DM I was red 5 bucks on. MLGO, we'll get to that later. A little bit disappointing there, but Tenon being my biggest winner. So I caught a few pretty decent trades early on it that I'm pretty happy about it and would like to go over whenever we can find them. Let's look at this red trade actually. I remember this one being done as well. Tap 490 there, looking for a quick dip. Added prematurely, added back there. Just kind of added prematurely, trying to guess where it's going to hold. Then we lock back in. And I think this is when we start making our money on it. I need to recognize what's happening sooner as well. It'll be like 4 strong momentum candles in a row, and then I'll look back and be like, holy fuck. It went straight up for that long without even recognizing that I could have just been adding every single dip. But instead I'll sometimes accidentally try to add every single dip on a stock that isn't as strong. So definitely still a lot more to be aware of. Being cognizant of as I'm trading. Let's look at this miss here. Comes right back up after a big dip, and it's kind of just hanging around up here. Hanging around. There's some buyers that come in. There's about 20 cents I could have caught right there. think I realized that. Let's see. At this point, probably was looking for the first dip under 5, but not the most likely thing to happen with how strong this is and how high it went. Top 525. It's not. Boom. Don't add there. It's a little bit lower than I was thinking, and
No bounce,
thankfully I
never.
didn't because
It's crazy.
it didn't bounce off. But that came down a little bit lower than I would have liked to see it there. Staying patient off open, but this thing's once again coming right back up.
I'm done just from
Boom. That was one of the better trades of the day, and only on 50 shares. I believe I was trading 90 most of the time on this thing afterward. Dips really hard. Comes right back up, comes back down, but then it's looking strong here with this close and this candle opening up and instantly having buyers push it back up. Take this quick dip within this candle. Get in 510 there, and then I'm just like, I'm in low. I want to try to give this one a chance to hold it through this 25. This looks pretty good. I do. And I get out there 39. I'm really happy with that trade. And that's when I realized, fuck, I was on 50 shares. So I could have had double the profit of that trade, but that's all right. Now we're back on 90 shares as we should be on it.
Oh, I wish I didn't raise my share size. Okay.
Looking for this next dip. More so looking where this one might close, actually.
I got out at like 40.
Not the greatest trade, but we get 5 cents out of it. A lot of bids there, so I add with them. Doesn't want to break 50 though, so I cut it. One of those just taking advantage of the free trade that it was giving with all those. They just threw up those massive bids right there. That's a free opportunity there. It's most likely going to go up at least a few cents. So I add with them. If it doesn't keep going, I just cut. That's what happens. So we get out there for 2.5 cents for free.
25.
Now we're looking for this next dip, maybe into 25. There's 23. Felt like I was in a little high there, which I wasn't actually. So I cut it quick, but thankfully I did.
Bro, I feel
when
like
it started coming back
mine's
down
in
because it
fast
came all the way
forward.
back down to 20.
Your mind is in fast forward?
Looking
You
at this
think it's
tape.
faster than it?
No, or revert. I
I
feel like
got
this
you.
thing is just
That's how I feel all the time.
it's
when
like
there's a lot of
a
momentum.
2x video.
Okay, I'm gonna stay on this.
Yeah, me too.
Now looking for the 50 break opportunity. One comment to add. Let me think for a second. In the past, when it's slow for a long time and I start getting the hang of it being slow, and I'm doing well when it's slow, then we have a crazy momentum day or a few crazy momentum days. I will all of a sudden try to catch everything instead of just sticking to my game plan and staying disciplined and just taking what I see. I feel like, oh fuck, I got and I fucking overwhoop my brain to the point where I mentally exhaust early on because it's like I'm trying to do more than I can right now. So that's one thing I was happy about today is for the most part I kind of did what I took the trades that I saw and I don't really know how to explain it. I kind of stayed to my game plan. Stayed to the trades that I felt comfortable with for the most part, so pretty happy with that. Didn't take too many stupid trades except for one that I can think of that was like a 10-12 cent loss I think on MLGO. But I'll look at that chart after I get through some of these trades. This candle goes green after a big flush. I want to see it get back over 525, that shoulder, and then push for that 50 break. A little bit of struggle here at 25. I want to see it get over and hold over 25. And that way we can make a push for the 50 busta. Ends up not holding over that 25, so I'm letting it be. Back over 25 again. Doesn't hold over, so I'm still not touching it. Wow, I'm happy with that. I want to give it some time to get over that 25 and hold over, so.
I should probably just stay on T-non, actually.
Checked out something else, but it wasn't worth it over this. Didn't want to miss it. Really holding this thing down in the 20s. Wow. Look at him just holding that thing down still. All right. Here we go. Here we go. This time I took it before it held over 25 because it tapped it this time and was holding up and sitting by it. I remember this one, so it taps it and it's just sitting up by it for a while. So I figured we might get a push through it. Just sitting here. I take a quick dip as it holds higher. Oh, buddy. So when it stops, I really like that trade. I should be looking to get back in for the 50 busta. Come on. Okay, great hold, great trade. We sell when it stops. More than happy with that. They held down, or it stopped at 37 right there. Sold it for the profit I could get. There's 15 cents. Dope.
T-non.
Holds up here. Buyers come in.
I should just
50
be holding
busta.
that.
Come on, man. Could have been another fucking 30 cents right there.
Okay.
That would have been a huge one.
Fucking
Size down a little bit just because of how wild this thing was.
Okay.
Flush is insanely
I
hard.
had to read.
Watch it for an extra second to make sure it's not going to immediately soak all the way back up. And then I believe I go over to something else for a while. DM. This thing was a little bit goofy. I also just kind of underperformed on it overall, but it was moving uniquely different compared to everything else today. So, this one in GHLD. GDHG. We're both a little bit goofy on the movement,
50 break.
but I don't think I should have been
Okay,
red on
okay,
this
sounds
one. Looking for a dip here. They're holding it there, so I add.
Do it.
Not breaking through 50, so
Oh,
I
you're
sell.
acting
It's a
weird,
good
bro.
trade.
You changed.
Now looking for a bigger dip in a 34, 30s, 38 they held right there. Now it's looking like it might come back lower. I hold 38 again.
That is also kind of free money.
Oh, is it now? Oh.
Do it.
It's a late ad. If anything, could have added back through 48 right there.
Kind of free money.
Oh, is it now?
Right
Oh.
there, probably, actually. And then selling there for break even when it didn't go instead of having to take that. Luckily, 1 cent could have been a 2 cent loser.
Oh,
Tap 50 again. This thing
Should I get up?
that's
ended up going to something else because it didn't want to break 50 and wanted to take advantage of something else. That's. Was I green on this thing? Let me look if I was green overall. I keep doing this. I probably shouldn't. Oh, yeah, that was my second biggest winner. That's and T-non was where the money was at for me today, and then just a couple a couple trades on
Both of
POAI.
these two.
Ba-da-ba-da. Holy schmoly.
Both.
Let's see this.
Both
43 is that little previous candle high. Breaks over. It kind of looks weak, but it's just sitting here, sitting here.
Okay.
78.
Quick tip.
Damn.
I just. Wow.
And it's kind of at a standstill up here for a sec. I want to see a little bit of a bigger dip.
Really.
Low.
Holding it right there, though. Holding it right there again. I try it. I don't know why I cut that so quick. Something I didn't like about it. Now looking for it to come down lower, preferably under 50. Like right under 50 right here. Held 54 right there.
They held it again.
And that's where it looks like it's bouncing. This candle's going
Oh, I just
green.
sold. I gotta get back.
Ay. This is why I say it could have been a $150 day very easily. I mean, I missed.
Oh, I just sold.
Right under.
Okay. It held 58 area there a lot of times.
Right under.
It tries to come down under 50, but they hold it really hard. I should be in here. This is going green.
Oh, I just sold.
Should really be in. 78's the high. There's 10 cents off the high. Oh, wait.
Oh, I just sold.
Watch the lean over. Wait. Oh, shit. Let's take a look at a potential lean over here. Let's see. Watch face cam. Right here.
Oh, I just sold. I gotta get back.
There's the culprit. It was a fart that fucking held me back, and I know it too. That is bad.
Same time.
Oh God, what?
Absolutely ripping one. I don't know what you're doing. 30s.
Back on DM. I'm able to at least. I'm glad I'm able to at least see these. See potentially why they went. After. I mean, obviously hindsight is 2020, but at least I'm still not sitting here confused as to why they went.
30.
It's a decent look here. Looking for the break over 51.
No.
Keep my losses tight as possible.
47.
That's the only thing that's counteracting my late ads that I need to fix is the fact that I don't hold for bigger losses than I have to.
On the 5-minute on this price.
Boom. See this one.
No.
Back over 45, entered 51. Oh, that previous candle should have went right there. I remember thinking that. When it broke over that previous candle, I thought we were actually going to make a push towards 51, at least tap it, but didn't.
That was
Still sitting sideways there. Do I catch this?
Okay.
I mean,
yeah,
It's dumb.
I hate this.
definition of insanity. What
Yeah,
I
that
say,
was bad.
I've been saying this for like a week now. I gotta fix this. I can't be adding that high on these volatile of moves, man. It's fine when you're on the $1 slow, grindy mover. Oh, it's tapping 50. I'm adding. Oh, not going. I'm selling. It's fine like that, but it's not worth. It's stupid risk to take on these kind of names.
Okay, wonderful.
Like I'm watching all this go. At this point, I'm a little bit scared to add high though. But look at this fucking. Damn! Missed out on all this.
Yeah, ideally.
Now it looks like it could be the top.
Oh, I should
For a bigger dip. Ideally 390 would be beautiful, but don't believe it comes that low. Oy, oy.
Alright.
Let's see this. This green candle after looking like it might come down lower. Click on that. I want to see this new candle open up because this is
35 and 50.
this is an interesting look here for a new candle pop. Oh, I do try it off a new candle. Over 30?
No.
Ah, got scared and sold it too soon. Right idea. Wrong execution. It did end up coming back a little bit. Good ad right there. A little bit back and forth.
Oh.
And boom. Quick tip. Ah! I don't know what this guy's doing.
Getting lower.
Who do you think you are? Trying to add that high.
Oh.
Okay, you missed it. If it doesn't go, awesome. Wait for a dip. Instead, I'm trying to buy that high and taking a stupid loss. Should be adding there when it holds 53. I mean, sorry, 43.
What's up? What's up, you?
Fuck.
Just kept sitting there and
Fuck.
decided to go that time.
Yeah.
Does the 5 bust to come here? Or does it pull back first? Try to take a quick ad when this candle closed strong. Good cut there. Now looking to be a little more hands off until we see some. Oh shit! This thing instantly fucking rips back up. Should be looking to get at it in here though. If it holds up here and more buyers come in, that's a fine high ad.
I just watched all that.
Did I just really get at it?
Yeah, I knew it too.
Guess
I don't have too
I was
much
gonna
time
add the
before I
downside.
gotta do something here, but
I wanted to.
yeah, like clearly I missed. I missed. What's that face? I missed way more than I should have.
Okay.
Take a little more here.
I had this
I take
when
that
I
as
got
a
fucking
loss.
Bro, I'm
PTSD
fucking
from
in
adding in
too.
too high, and I don't want to keep making that same mistake. So, not too mad at myself for missing these ones where I'd have to chase to get it. Or I just need to add like and anticipate a little bit more on these dips. So quite a bit missed. POAI, this thing was another goofy. Yeah. Candle. Add there. So when it's looking like weak back through to my bread and butter, but not on this kind of movement.
Oh. Yeah, I did this earlier. What?
Yeah, I just sold too.
92, 91. Add there and the bid comes in. Sell.
I'll take it.
I wanted to hold on a little bit more, but I should have
Why not?
sold
Kinda
there when
wanna
it didn't go
hold
through 98 with that bid at 97.
Whatever.
Flag.
Kind of chopped her, yeah, chopped me around quite a bit actually. Oh shit. Let's see this one. 25 break is what we really need.
Why?
Holding that high now. Oh, I wanted to get in through 20
Why?
right there. Ended up getting in high, so I insta sold.
Oh my. Okay, I'm done.
Okay,
I don't-
25.
Sitting up here. Sitting up here. Tried off 21 there. Good quick sell when it doesn't go.
Just snaps.
Yeah, I added too high twice now. Oh.
Ah, fuck, I sold these.
Not sure why I watched that one.
Minute. Oh. Nah,
PSTV.
yeah.
Probably should've sold.
PSTV, oh, yeah, needed to get over 150. That daily level. Yesterday I thought tried it for a little bit more of a swing. Not even a swing. Just a longer hold with a stop. I got stopped out by 1 penny and then it went like 20 cents, a little bit unlucky. But today, if it got over 150, it had a chance to keep going. Wasn't the greatest look on the daily, but
I don't like how it's.
still want to catch it in case, because there was a decent opportunity there for it to go.
Maybe
Risk reward was, it was easy to keep your wrist tight on it too, so risk reward was more than worth it.
whatever.
Didn't end up going really at all through 50. Went like 4 cents total.
Really done.
Don't really care about looking through any of this.
Fuck. horse ass.
Especially on a month like this where I need it more than anything.
Oh, talking about lagging yesterday with how hot the market was. I think at this point is when it kind of started to slow down, and then periodically throughout the day there was a little bit of opportunity here and there for a little bit more low volume breaks and stuff. Not high of day breaks, but just key level breaks and stuff. This MLGO was the fucking antichrist of the day for me, and I did it 100% to myself. We saw it early on too, and then I saw when it started to catch some real volume, and I still didn't capitalize it early on, and then I got tilted because I took this huge loss, even though I should have stayed on it because the opportunity was so there. But I do want to show this loss, even as embarrassing as it is. Just a total, and once again, a fucking brain fart of a trade.
1680s.
Halt there. Oh yeah, I took the loss on it right before the end of the stream.
I should have added.
Try to add when this is going green. High risk, high reward type deal. I'm thinking the shit goes green. We might send it straight to 1687 here. Volume's high, just came out of a halt. This looks good. There are sellers sitting there at 1628 that I probably didn't see at the time though. We get through those sellers and I'm like, oh shit, it's strong right away. What's that all about then? Luckily got out 94.
16.
And then it took.
I'm so out of it.
Gotta throw some John Jones elbows there. Those illegal 12 to 6s.
Oh shit.
Here we go. Here it comes. Prepare your eyeballs. Here we go. It fake halts, goes up, taps 18. I'm like, fuck, quick dip. Give me a quick dip. Right under 50. I like it. I'm in 41. The bid's already at 17. Flat. We're out 17.3 for, is that 12-cent loser? Yeah, 12-cent loser. I mean, $12 loser.
I should probably add.
And I knew it, right? I knew right when I bought that. That was a
Hands off.
stupid fucking. A little bit of brain fart gave back. Between the money that I gave back and opportunity missed today. Quite a bit that I could have caught that I didn't. So, yeah. Still not too mad to be 83 bucks green. A couple GDHG went later in the afternoon today. Kind of edged just super hard near closed and then decided to not break, so that was fun. And then MLGO after that, stupid trade that I took. Oh, which was right here in this candle was a stupid trade that I took. Ended up going almost tapping 20. So opportunity was there, took advantage of some of it, missed some of it. Overall, 83 bucks green. Happy, and yeah, see you tomorrow for the next Green Day recap. Peace.